predator team. Big mess down here. Bunch of people helping.
He's got it for you.
Jeremy is down in the mangroves, buried back there.
Getting it done, blue water predator.
Blue water predator fishing team out here helping clean up Cockroach Bay. Pretty good turnout. Got a bunch of bags down there at the end. Jeremy, what kind of stuff you finding down there?
T-shirts, rags, batteries, a towel, picture frame, a TV.
Any tires?
No tires yet, but there is some down by the dumpster.
Yep.
Bunch of bottles. I have no problem going in the water for some bottles. You guys need some art? Couple barnacles. Making sure I don't damage any of the mangroves while I crawl through here also. Out here picking up stuff in the middle of the mangroves, bunch of trash. Gonna have all that cleaned up here pretty soon.